Hello, welcome to today's installment of the series. My name is Bright Emeka, and today we will be talking about design. What is design? Design is problem solving. Design is problem solving actually. So when someone says they're a designer, what they are basically saying in another way to frame what they're saying is that they're a problem solver. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we solve problems as designers. And one of the problems we solve is communication problem. Um, in some instances, design is visual communication. And an important metric to judge if a design is doing what it's supposed to do is if the problem it intends to solve gets solved. If a design is meant to tell people that there is a road closure ahead, how you know if that design is working is if the environment and context and the communication of that design actually alerts people to the road closure that is ahead. For instance, there is road construction in a particular street, and you need drivers to slow down so that they don't injure any of the road construction workers or injure any of the road construction workers. One of the things design will do in that instance is to ensure that there are proper signs, communicative signs, and road markers to tell people, okay, at this point you have to reduce your speed. There is construction work happening so meters ahead, say 50, 100 meters ahead. Something's happening on this road, or there is a road closure ahead. So one of the ways you know that a design works is that it communicates what it's supposed to communicate. Design is not only about visual appeal or aesthetics. The aesthetics is important because yes, we want to do things that are delightful and beautiful to look at. But beyond that, the functionality and effectiveness of the design is core, is primary to the purpose of that design. For example, chairs are designed for sitting on. There's three chairs now on the screen. There is the chair to the two chairs you're seeing, they look funny. If they are for art, like they are just art pieces, that's fine. The last chair, that is for sitting and does the purpose for which it's supposed to do, uh, communicates like from the design, from how it was built, it actually knows that it is solving the problem it intends to solve. So beyond the aesthetics, function is primary. You should delight your users, but beyond that, if you're working with a designer, it's important that you set the goals for whatever project it is you want to work on. Is this going to be a website that is going to be used by elderly people? It's important that the target audience for that project is clearly defined. Yeah. So the problem statement you're giving, the brief you're going to give your designer is clear and you are on the same page. And then you can proceed with whatever project it is you're proceeding with. Yeah. We will continue this series again. Tomorrow we'll talk more about factors to consider when hiring a designer and things to look out for when evaluating projects. I've been Bright Maker. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.